up.
Go ahead.
JD, you still there? I think JD's taking off. Yeah, you better get out of here before somebody kicks his butt. Hey, JD. Yeah, go ahead. I thought we were going to do one more at least. I'm not scared. Well, I'm not scared either. Hell, I don't know. It don't matter to me. Let me pull back around. Let's try it. Let's try it. Hey, why don't we count down one more time?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hang on, JD, once they're ready. Go ahead and redo that.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1.
All one, man. Hey, make them change what they say.
Well, I think 459 would have saying 9.
Yeah, I was saying 9.
Yeah, so they're not saying the same thing. It was JD.
Yeah, the radio turned all the way up. No, but when you change, I think maybe it changed the pitch, you know, the voice. Yeah, I got 510 too, so I done blew up his damn finals. That was relays, that's what he said. Catch you guys later.
Take care, JD.
My radio's still working, right?
Yep.
Yeah, it's still working. How about now? Did it pump up a little there? Yeah, it pumped up quite a bit. Okay, none of my relays are busted. JD was right next to me too, shit. Well, as long as you're keyed up, man, it shouldn't do anything. It's just a receiving when you're not keyed up. But, yeah, you gotta watch that shit, man, when you gotta do that. Hey, man, if you're gonna play, you gotta pay your need, and that's all it is, man. If you don't want to do all that, then don't participate. Right? Man, roger that. Don't watch you get set. I don't know about a car lane. Yeah, no wonder. Hey, it's all in fun, man.
Yeah, when you guys ain't shooting out and you got power on, you guys should be keying down next to each other. That's bad etiquette.
We were away from each other. I don't know. You know, making my radio do weird things, but, you know, I'm one of those guys that don't give a fuck. Well, I give a fuck, but, you know, that's what I got it for. If I blow it up, it's still on a warning. Check. Shit, I got about 9 radios to play with, so I don't care. Well, I'm holding the cabinet. I've probably got about 15 or 20 in there to play with, but I don't feel like messing with them. Check. All I got is 2.
key against nobody then.
Walker, you know we gotta have a rematch.
Yeah, I don't want nobody keying next to mine blowing my shit up.
I keyed next to yours last time. I didn't blow your shit up.
Well, we were keyed at the same time.
Oh, exactly.
Well, when you're not keying down on the shootout, I ain't doing that shit, man.
Oh, that's why I cut my power back. I don't know how I could have blew him. You know, I was only running 100 watts, and he was still a long ways away from me. He was talking too, so I don't know how it blew it.
I don't know about all that. Alright, I'm gonna shut it down. I'm done.